Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and the sidekicks for today's video. So Zena is here, but she's actually behind the camera today, and she is eating a treat right now. The poor thing, if I can grab her, I will. She's like pumpkin on her little face because I've been feeding her pumpkin to settle her stomach, but she's eating a plain old milk bun right now. We're gonna see how that goes. Wyatt's here though, he's joining me. No pumpkin on him. I'm excited because today I have my LookFantastic November beauty box. Cannot wait to dig into this. Always fun. The October box was filled with all kinds of goodies. Can't wait to dig into this one. If you are new to LookFantastic, you really should check out this subscription. It really is an affordable beauty subscription, and LookFantastic was founded in 1996, and it is an online British beauty boutique. In fact, today, the LookFantastic group is the #1 British beauty retailer. And they have a subscription box. Yay! Which is what I have right here. So they have everything from hair, beauty, skincare, and all things gorgeous on their website. And they do have this amazing affordable beauty box that you can sign up for. And of course, I do have a discount code for you, which I will share in just a minute. But the monthly subscription box, which comes in this fun little box that is almost, you could use as a storage box. It does come in a outer box that looks something like this. I destroyed this one getting it out. But it's $19 a month for typically items valued at around $70. So not bad. That is if you get it per month. If you decide to purchase it 3 months at a time, it drops it to $18. And then it goes down from there all the way up to 12 months. And then it would drop it to $16 a month. All right. However, if you use my code, which is basically just my link, which I'll put down below, you will receive your first month for $1 if you purchase a 12-month subscription if you use my link down below. All right, let's dig in and see what is in here. Here's what I see as soon as I open the box. Comes with a little book that tells you about the items inside your box. So right inside, there's a little intro here that says we're in the thick of autumn and our Firecracker Edition beauty box is here to help you embrace these colder evenings and have some cozy nights in. Your November box has been specially curated with 6 beauty products to help indulge your senses. In this month's beauty box edit, we're bringing you an exclusive interview and Star Skin CEO, as well as features from Philip Kingsley and 3 INA. All right, so there's all kinds of information in here. You can see there's an entire contents that is interviews, information about the beauty box, and about the a subscriber treat. Okay, so let's dig right in. All right, so here's what I see. And first up is something by Naobay, N-A-O-B-A-Y. I hope I'm saying that right. Cosmos Natural, it says it's natural and organic, detox, unpolluted. And let's see what it says about it. Here's what I'm looking at. And it says, this lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy, formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. Ideal for all skin types. It says to use it, you just massage gently into cleansed skin until it's absorbed. So I like how it always gives uses too, just in case you need that information. Great. What else have I got? Okay, so this 3 INA, the Longwear lipstick, is next. And I think this is the color, so let's see. This is the Longwear lipstick shades. Get a perfectly pout with the help of this lipstick, which has a super lightweight formula, a doe foot applicator for easy application, and a light pigmented color. This liquid lipstick dries down to a smudge-proof, comfortable finish that will last all day long. Cool. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, okay, so it's a liquid. I can't see, so hopefully I'm getting this on right. It looks pretty. There's the color. I like it. This is a good color for me. I actually really like that. Just an amped up neutral, right? That's nice. All right, that's the second thing. Next, what have I got here? I've got something from Polar, Ice Pure Micellar Water with Arctic Cotton. So this is harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton. This cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without over drying or bringing uncomfortable tightness. You just apply it over the face with a cotton pad. Do not rinse. For an even deeper cleanse, follow with your favorite face wash. Do not rinse. That's interesting. So that way it keeps the moisture in. It says Ice Pure All Cotton Arctic. I'm excited to try that. I've not had luck with some of the other micellar waters that I've tried. Okay, so I'm excited to give that one a try. Next is In Transit Camera Close-Up. This is by This Works. Perfect Legs Skin Miracle or In Transit Camera Close-Up. So there's two here. They go together. Oh, I guess you get one or the other. Okay, you get, here we go. Here's what I'm looking at. So you must get one or the other. So I got the In Transit Camera Close-Up. It says, for the close-up, you apply to cleanse skin until absorbed. It says, feel pampered from head to toe with these This Works products. The Perfect Legs Skin Miracle is a lightly tinted serum enriched with vitamin C and E to deliver a sun-kissed glow to the body. So if you got that one, this one is the Transit Camera Close-Up is a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one, erasing signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. All right then. And what else have I got? This is the Philip Kingsley Weightless Conditioner. And I also have the bodybuilding shampoo. So I have both. And it says Pure Color Frizz Fighting Gloss or Bodybuilding Weightless Shampoo and Conditioner. These Philip Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and skinny. The Pure Color Gloss, which I do not have, so it shows all three here, but I got these two at the bottom. But if you got that one, it says the Pure Color Gloss, the conditioning heat protectant that improves color vibrancy, while the bodybuilding duo is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long-lasting body bounce. For the shampoo and conditioner, you just obviously lather shampoo in the scalp, rinse, and follow with conditioner. The Pure Color Gloss, work a small amount through a towel-dried hair, focusing on ends and style as required. All right. And I have one more thing. This one was stocked full of stuff. One more item, and this is the Lord & Berry Line Shade Glam Eye Pencil. And this is a bronze gold. Comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment. Check out that color. It's really nice. And incredibly long lasting in a gorgeous gold bronze shade to make your eyes pop. The fine point allows for precise application. Its creamy formula can be easily blended. So it says use small strokes, draw along the upper and lower lash line, blend with fingers or a small brush. That's pretty. And that's everything. What do you guys think? Not bad for $19. I got shampoo and conditioner. I basically have like a really good travel kit here. And I'm loving this lipstick. What do you guys think? I have, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items here. So many things. So many things. $19 a month. I don't think this is bad. I like it. I really like this. And it does give you in the book, it tells you all about every item as I read through them, and then it gives you interviews with different brands as well as founders of the brands, and talks about benefits of them. Here's one for the benefits of using charcoal and the different brands they have here. They talk through, as well as there is a mention here. I had talked about a special for subscribers. They have Beauty Box Unboxed. It says calling all Beauty Box subscribers. So if you've subscribed, they now have the exclusive Unboxed Lounge. Their Unboxed Lounge has been created exclusively for our loyal Beauty Box subscribers and filled with exciting brand offers, content, and competitions that you won't want to miss. So if you just have to log into your account and you'll be able to join. So I think that is fun. And they're also going to have some Black Friday specials going on. Lots in this little book. That's my box. That's everything. This was fun. I love this subscription. So many things for only $19 a month. Fun. And don't forget my link below if you want to sign up and go for the entire year to give it a try. The first month would only be $1. I hope you enjoyed this. I really love this box. It's so fun to try all kinds of different brands. And I'm so happy you chose to spend a little bit of your day with me. All the information will be down below in case you want to give this subscription a try. I would love it if you would hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. And I would love it if you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really does help me and helps me continue to bring you new content. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.